Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking the audio position in cinematic mode on a PSVR 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you want to lock the position of the PSVR stereo audio so that the source doesn't move with the 2D screen, follow these steps. From your PS5 dashboard, scroll to the top right of the screen and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and select Accessories. In Accessories settings, scroll down and select PlayStation VR 2. In the PSVR settings, scroll down to Cinematic Mode, and you will see the option to lock audio position. You can enable or disable it from here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PSVR 2 tips and tricks.